हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। दोस्तों, थर्मोडायनेमिक्स के ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस के बारे में बात करेंगे जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकते हैं। बात करते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1.95। 1.95 क्वेश्चन कहता है कि जो मॉलिक्यूलर वेट है एक्सप्रेस्ड इन GM, दैट इज़ 1 ग्राम मोल ऑफ ऑल गैसेस एट NTP ऑक्यूपाइज। क्या उसका होगा राइट आंसर? राइट आंसर इज़ A, 22.4 liter. NTP occupies at volume is 22.4 liter. Next question. Strictly speaking, all engineering process are all engineering process. Strictly speaking, all engineering process are options are quasi-static, thermodynamic and equilibrium, reversible, irreversible, based on the first and the second law of their thermodynamics. तो यहाँ पे जो राइट आंसर हो जाएगा इसका 1.96 का, दैट इज आंसर नंबर डी, दैट इज इरिवर्सिबल। जो प्रोसेस हो जाएगा हमारा वो हमारा कहलाएगा इरिवर्सिबल। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सब्सटेंस द इंटरनल एनर्जी एंड इंथैल्पी आर द functions of temperature only. Options are any gas, saturated steam, water, perfect gas, and superheated steam. The right answer is D, that is perfect gas. Next question. In a free expansion process, options are work done is 0, heat transfer is 0, both A and B and above. Work done is 0, but heat increases. Work done is 0, but heat decreases. What is the right answer is? Right answer is C, that is work done is 0 and heat transfer is 0. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि इफ़ अ गैस वेपर इज़ अलाउड टू एक्सपैंड थ्रू अ वेरी माइन्यूट aperture, then such a process is known as. Options are free expansion, hyperbolic expansion, adiabatic expansion, parabolic expansion, and throttling. The right answer is A, that is free expansion. Next question is the specific heat of air increases with increase in. Options are temperature, pressure, both pressure and temperature, variation of its constituents, and airflow. Options are A, that is temperature. Next question. If a fluid expand if a fluid expands suddenly into a vacuum through an orifice of large dimensions, then such a process is called. राइट आंसर इज ए, फ्री एक्सपेंशन। यानी यहाँ पे देखेंगे इफ़ अ फ्लूइड एक्सपैंड सडनली इनटू वैक्यूम थ्रू एन ऑरिफिस लार्ज डायमेंशंस, देन such a process is called free expansion. The next question, which of the following property which of the following properties remains constant during throttling process? Options are internal energy, pressure, entropy, enthalpy, and volume. What is the right answer is D, that is enthalpy. Is enthalpy जो थ्रॉटलिंग प्रोसेस यहाँ पे बात करेंगे, that is options are is enthalpy. Next question, which of the following process are thermodynamically reversible? Options are throttling, free expansion, constant volume and constant pressure, hyperbolic and PV की power n equal to C, and isothermal and adiabatic. What is the right answer? The right answer is E, that is your isothermal and adiabatic. Next question, which of the following process is an irreversible process? Is irreversible process. The options is C, that is throttling. Next question, in order that a cycle be reversible, following must be satisfied. Must be satisfied. The right answer is D, all of the above. यानी free expansion या friction, resisted, and when heat is absorbed, any all these options. Next question, for a thermodynamic process to be a reversible, process to be a reversible, the temperature difference between hot body and working substance should be. Right answer is A, that is 0. Next question, minimum work in compression is possible when the value of adiabatic index n is equal to. The right answer is B, that is 1. Next question. 2 kg of a substance receive 500 kilojoule and undergoes a temperature change from 100 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. The average specific heat of a substance during the process will be. What is the right answer is B, 2.5 kilojoule per kg degree Kelvin. The next question is that the specific work input during a compression cycle from P1 to P2 if compression is isothermal is given by. The right answer is A, P1 V1 log E base P2 upon P1. Next question is air is to be compressed from atmospheric condition to 7 atm pressure, in which case the heat transfer will be minimum. The right answer is B, that is adiabatic. Next question is 1 meter cube of air at a pressure of 10 kg per centimeter square is allowed to expand freely to a volume of 10 meter cube. The work done will be. The right answer is A, that is 0. Next question is molecular volume of any perfect gas at 600 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter square and 27 degrees Celsius will be. The right answer is A, 4.17 meter cube per kg Kelvin kg mole. Next question. A gas is compressed in a cylinder by a movable piston to a volume one half its original. A gas is compressed in a cylinder by a movable piston to a volume one half its original volume. During the process of 300 kilojoule heat left the gas and the internal energy remained same. The work done on the gas in Newton meter will be. What is the right answer is B. Our right answer is the B. Next question. Question is says that the law PV gamma is not applicable for. आपको बताना है किस पर applicable नहीं होता है, तो राइट आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ई, यानी PV की पावर गामा जो होता है एप्लीकेबल नहीं होता है फ्री एक्सपेंशन ऑफ एन आइडियल गैस के लिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द मोर इफेक्टिव वे ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग इफिशियंसी कैन नॉट इंजन is to be. The more effective way of increasing efficiency of Carnot engine is to be. The right answer is D. The more effective way of increasing efficiency of Carnot engine is to. Right answer is already told that is D. Decrease lower temperature. The more effective way of increasing the efficiency of Carnot engine is to be decrease lower temperature. Next question, important question, that is entropy change depends on. entropy जो change होती है वो किस पे depend करती है, तो right answer हो जाएगा इसका is A, that is heat transfer. entropy change होती है वो depend करती है heat transfer पर. आगे की तरफ बढ़ते हैं हम लोग, तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आता है कि फॉर अ रिवर्सिबल एडियाबैटिक प्रोसेस चेंज इन इंट्रोपी. अगर रिवर्सिबल एडियाबैटिक प्रोसेस चेंज इन इंट्रोपी तो ये जो होती है वो ज़ीरो होती है. फॉर रिवर्सिबल एडियाबैटिक प्रोसेस चेंज इन इंट्रोपी इज ज़ीरो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आइसोकोरिक प्रोसेस इज वन इन विच. ऑप्शंस आर A, B, C, D, 5 options. Right answer is C, that is no mechanical work is done by the system. Next question is polytropic index n is given by. The right answer is A, log P2 upon P1 upon log V1 upon V2. Next question is when a gas flow through a very long pipe of uniform cross section, the flow is approximately. The right answer is C, that is isothermal. The next question is the work done in the expansion of a gas from volume V1 to V2 under constant pressure P is equal to, राइट आंसर इज कांस्टेंट प्रेशर P है यहाँ पर, तो इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा आपका B, यानी P V2 V माइनस V1 वर्क डन इन द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ गैस फ्रॉम वॉल्यूम V1 से V2 अंडर कांस्टेंट प्रेशर के केस में राइट आंसर इज B। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बात यहाँ पे की जा रही है अगर एक्सपेंशन प्रोसेस है एज पर लॉ PV बराबर कांस्टेंट इज नोन एज, एक्सपेंशन प्रोसेस एज पर लॉ PV बराबर कांस्टेंट इज नोन एज is B, that is hyperbolic process. PV over constant expansion process is as per law PV over constant is known as hyperbolic expansion. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर आगे बढ़ते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 2 3, that is under ideal condition, under ideal constitutions comma isothermal, isoboric, isochoric and adiabatic process is that C quasi-static process. Our right answer is quasi-static process. Next question is reversible adiabatic process may be expressed as T1 upon T2 equal to. The right answer is E, A and B यानी V2 minus P1 की पावर गामा -1 and P2 upon P1 upon P2 gamma -1 upon gamma. The next question is which of the following parameters remains constant during ideal throttling process is E, that is enthalpy. Next question is curve A in figure 1.2 and compared to curve B and C shows in the following type compression. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं A, B and C, P1, P and V. Is C, that is adiabatic. And the next question, curve B compared to curve C follows type of compression. Curve B compared to C, तो इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा आपका 1.27 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा इज B, दैट इज PV की पावर n इक्वल टू C. दिस इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कर्व C की बात करते हैं कंपेयर टू कर्व B, कर्व C कंपेयर टू B, द राइट आंसर इज D, that is isothermal, is isothermal. Next question, when a liquid boils at constant pressure of the volume parameter increases, the right answer is D, that is entropy. The next question is maximum work by an impression of a gas in a closed system is possible when process take place at constant. Right answer is A, pressure. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आपको बताना है कि कौन सा फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट है अबाउट एंथैल्पी. तो जब बात करते हैं तो इसका राइट आंसर रहेगा डी, जब फंक्शन ऑफ ए स्पेसिफिक इट इज़ द फंक्शन ऑफ ए स्पेसिफिक हीट एट अ कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की बात करते हैं, तो इफ़ एच द हीट सप्लाइड टू अ सिस्टम टू डू वर्क डब्ल्यू विद द चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी ऑफ डेल्टा यू. इसका जो सही हो जाएगा ए कि जहाँ पे एच की वैल्यू हो जाएगी डेल्टा यू प्लस डब्ल्यू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हीट एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन द गैस एंड यूज्ड फॉर रेजिंग टेम्परेचर ऑफ अ गैस इज नोन एज, इज राइट आंसर इज बी, दैट इज इंटरनल एनर्जी.